Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to delete a Microsoft Booking calendar. So either you've created a calendar you no longer need or just want to start fresh, I'll walk you through the steps. So let's dive in. First, make sure you are signed into your Microsoft 365 account. Open the Microsoft 365 portal and log in with your credentials. Now you'll be taken to the booking dashboard. In the left hand menu, click on manage bookings and you'll see all the list of all of your calendar. And then find the calendar you want to delete and click on it. So once you're in the calendars page, look for the booking page in the left side bar. Click on it and you'll be taken to the settings for that calendar. Scroll down to the bottom of the setting page, and at the bottom, guys, you'll see an option to delete this calendar. So click on that option and then a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the calendar. So confirm that deletion and your calendar will be permanently removed. So I'll show you guys how. As you can see here. So this is the one that I want to delete, guys. So here, as you can see here, you'll be able to see your different options. And after confirming, guys, to the message, you will receive that a message that the calendar has been deleted and you can no longer accept new bookings in it. As you can see here, there is no booking here. So there you have it, your Microsoft Booking calendars has been deleted. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and see you in my next video.